Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and on this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, I want to share with you my updated pasta with broccoli recipe that it is so good. It is the best pasta with broccoli you'll ever have in your life, hands down. This is the only way I've been making it, and I've been making like this for a long time. I just never updated you, but now that we're sort of like sprinkling these updated version of recipes here and there on Laura in the Kitchen, I could not resist sharing this with you because it's quick, it's easy, it's so minimal ingredients but like maximum flavor type of thing. It's phenomenal. The list of ingredients is really short and sweet. You'll need pasta, orecchiette here, or really a must because they've got a lot of surface area to get nice and crispy, and the little cup shape just holds up to the broccoli so well. You need a lot of broccoli florets. You can see that they've been chopped into bite-sized pieces. You need freshly grated Parmigiano, olive oil, some garlic. You want it peeled but not chopped. A little bit of butter, some salt, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it's really easy, but I'm telling you, it is so phenomenal that once you make it this way, you'll never make it in any other way again. I've got a large pot with boiling salted water. Now, depending on how long your pasta takes to cook, just read the instructions on the package. So say this pasta takes 12 minutes to cook, right? I'm only going to cook this for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, I'm going to add the broccoli, cook it for 2 more minutes. So the pasta altogether is going to cook for about 8 minutes because it's going to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes in the skillet. So you're going to cook it shy of a few minutes, and the broccoli goes in 2 minutes before the pasta is done. So add the pasta in 6 minutes, we will add the broccoli, and then we'll let both things cook together for about 2 minutes. All right, now keep in mind that I did add the broccoli in with the pasta about 6 minutes in, and I'll let them cook together for 2 more minutes. My timer's up. Drained everything, and I reserved some of the cooking water. Now in here, I've got olive oil with some garlic sizzling away. It's getting nice and golden. I'm not gonna let the garlic, I didn't chop the garlic because I'm gonna take the garlic out eventually, but now stand back because this will splatter. You're gonna take your drained pasta and broccoli, and you're going to add that in. And what you're going to do is you're going to cook this for about, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes on about medium, right between medium and medium high. And you're not going to toss this until you see that the bottom, the pieces of pasta have got some good crunchy color and golden brown on them. You're going to keep doing that until a lot of the pasta has got that crispy coating on it. It is so phenomenal. You cannot even imagine. I'm not adding any more salt to this because my boiling water was well salted. So my pasta and my broccoli got their seasoning from the very beginning. But you want to make sure that it's perfectly seasoned before you add it in here. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to really sprinkle the salt evenly. So make sure that the water is well salted so that you don't have to do it here. I'm going to keep my eye on this. Cook it and stir it. Let it cook, stir. You're just going to keep doing that until the broccoli kind of cooks into the pasta and it really breaks down a lot, becomes one with the sauce. It's just phenomenal. Just you trust me. So this is pretty much what you're looking for. You see a lot of the places are really crispy and wonderful and nibbly and oh, crispy perfection. You see that? That is what you want. Now, obviously, not every piece is going to be that way. You can stand here for 10 more minutes and keep doing the same thing, and it will get there. But then you don't really have any texture of pasta. You know what I mean? It's too crispy. So you got to have a good balance of the two, and it's perfection. Now, you take a little bit of the starchy cooking water. It's not going to make the crispy bits soggy, I promise. Along with about a tablespoon of good butter and a good grating of parm. And this is your sauce. It is so good, it is so easy, and it's so simple. And I'm telling you, it is the best pasta with broccoli recipe on the face of the planet. I also took out the garlic. They did their job when they flavored the oil, so I don't really need it for anything else. But that, to me, looks money. I'm gonna just turn this off. Look at this. Look how gorgeous. You see how the broccoli has become the sauce? That's what you want, my friend. That is what you want. You want that crispy pasta. You want the broccoli to just become the sauce with the cheese. It is the best broccoli pasta ever. And I'm just gonna take some for myself. Those crispy bits right there are gonna be for me. I'll deal with the rest later. Yes. Mmm. Mmm. You hear the crunch? Look at that. That is heaven on earth inside my mouth. That's a broccoli pasta recipe that I want. This is the kind that I love, and I think you will too. Go to laurainthekitchen.com, get the recipe. I hope you've enjoyed spending time with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.